Incredible! The astonished doctor exclaimed. His right hand absent-mindedly stroked his full beard as he stared at the notorious X-ray machine. This was indeed an amazing development. The machine was quite literally growing new parts as they watched.
But Dr. Tyler, aren't you going to do something? What if it continues to grow at this rate? It's not like we can keep it a secret. The lab assistant was inching backward to the exit. Tyler considered his options carefully. Probably not enough time to write a paper about this and be published. He probably wouldn't even get the credit once the government got involved. There was no way he was losing this project to Washington. Not this time. He turned and spoke assertively. Hit the kill switch, Larry. We'll have to start over in a more secure location.